Nice. Happy birthday. Habibi, thank you so much for getting this.
Is your guy?
He's a family now. So elegant, so beautiful.
We are just eating.
And Khuda Gawa, you know?
Yes. Hello guys, welcome back. तो हमने जहाँ खाना खाया था Uncle Sam's place. The food was amazing. It was a very nice food. And now we started our journey on a King's Highway, and we are going to a place called
Al Karak
Al Karak.
Castle,
Al Karak Castle.
the biggest castle in Jordan.
Biggest castle in Jordan. यहाँ पे snowfall भी होता है. Probably it will happen, I think, after 25-30 days next month. And during, see the green fields, ये सारा cover हो जाएगा with the snow after certain time.
Yeah.
Once the time passes, and it's very
The winter
beautiful.
time, after
The winter.
2-3 weeks.
Yeah.
In January and February, the weather cold and the snow coming every year.
Yeah. So बने रहिए, हम लोग चलते हैं and मिलाते हैं. Meanwhile, you enjoy the cinematics. Alright, so now we are going inside the main gate. So we are finally going to the Karaka. See the beautiful panorama view. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. We have Chuchu going. Wow.
Oh my god.
Assalamu alaikum. वाह, खूबसूरत, एकदम खूबसूरत. वाह, माशाल्लाह.
समझ रहे हो आप? मुझे लग रहा है यहाँ पे वैसे ही था, पर उन्होंने उसे पत्थरों से पूरा भर दिया.
They filled this, huh? हाँ, तो अंदर जो है सो पूरे भूते पुराने वाले जो मर गए.
हमारे साथ जो चल रहे हैं.
So, सबसे अच्छी बात जॉर्डन की ये है कि I'm sorry, I'm breathing very heavily because I'm at the very high altitude. The highest altitude in Jordan is this place, Karaka. जो किंग्स हाईवे से आप सीधा जाओगे, you cross the King Highway, then the old town, then the new town, then उसके बाद हम यहाँ पहुँचते हैं. And it is an amazing experience driving in the King's Highway because it's beautiful. Guys, you have to come and explore Jordan. This is beyond words, trust me. Very nice, very beautiful. I think I will see this. Thank you. Wow. You see this? Wow. ये जो देख रहे हो ना आप लोग, ये जो येलो कलर के, सारे जॉर्डन में लोग इसी के घर बनाते हैं क्योंकि ये सर्दी में गर्म और गर्मी में ठंडा रहता है घर को. बहुत खूबसूरत है ये. चलो लेट्स गो इनसाइड.
और आप देखिए एनवायरनमेंट ने सब कुछ बना के दिया, सबका सॉल्यूशन करके दिया कि बहुत ठंड है तो आप ये यूज करो, मतलब एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल.
हाँ, और जॉर्डन इज द ओनली प्लेस चुचू जहाँ पे द एंटायर मिडिल ईस्ट रीजन में जहाँ पे वेजिटेशन भी है और वाटर भी है एंड ड्रिंकेबल. दैट्स व्हाई सिर्फ मिडिल ईस्ट में ही टैप वाटर से लोग पानी भी पीते हैं. वे भी क्या बोल रही है?
मतलब अपने जो पापा थे उनके ना पहले कच्चे घर हुआ करते थे, पक्के घर नहीं हुआ करते थे.
हाँ.
तो वो लोग ना गोबर में, ये इसको बोलते हैं, ये कुछ भूसा होता है ये, ठीक है, इसको मिलाते थे और ऐसे में ना कच्चे घर बनाते थे. तो इनने भी देखो वो यूज़ किया. इन्होंने मिट्टी, जो इनकी जो मिट्टी है वो अलग है, अपना ब्लैक होता है मिट्टी, इनका ब्लैक नहीं है, इनका रेड है ना.
Yeah.
कि अगर किसी टूरिस्ट वाले ने ये सुन लिया जो गाइड कर रहा है
तो ये कोई रहना पहले ही बोलते हैं. कितनी मेहनत लगी.
वाह कितना खूबसूरत है यार. ये जो देख रहे हो ना, ये सब है ना, ये चूना पत्थर है, ये लाल पत्थर है जॉर्डन का जो यहाँ का फेमस है. इसको क्या बताऊं यार, 2500 साल पुरानी जगह पे जब आप आते हो, टाइम जीसस के टाइम की बनी हुई फ्रॉम दैट सेंचुरी.
मुझे बताया था कि जीसस का बर्थ यहाँ हुआ था.
नहीं, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट प्लेस. वी आर गोइंग देयर. वाओ, दिस इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. तो निकल गए वहाँ से, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल कैसल था. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं टू दी किंग्स हाईवे को कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं एंड वी आर गोइंग टू दाना, जहाँ पे बहुत खूबसूरत सनसेट व्यू पॉइंट है. It has an amazing panorama view from there, right Habibi?
Yes.
Right. What are you doing, Habiti?
Habibti.
Habibti.
Habibi, what tea? Habibti.
Habibti.
Yeah.
Guys, see this spring water is coming from
The rock for Moses. The Moses he stay here.
Who?
And we have the story. The Moses.
the Moses stay
We
here.
have story for Christian and Jewish and Muslim.
Okay.
And the God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say here, put the stone in the land and the strait open.
Oh,
One is strait, not only one.
jewel.
Yeah, this one and you have another, not another side.
Oh, okay.
We got reading this one for Moses spring.
Moses Spring.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I touch that rock?
Yes, you can do what you want. See.
So guys, this is the rock जिसको this is known as the Moses rock, जिसको he was explaining Habibi कि इसको अल्लाह सुब्हानो ताला ने यहाँ पे ज़ोर से हैमर मारा and that's how this spring created. And this whole water channel, if you see here, it starts from here and it goes to the whole city, the whole town drink this water. Yes, it has. It's very, very beautiful. बहुत खूबसूरत है. Guys, come to Jordan. You have so many things to see. And we should know how the world was 2005 years back.
No, this is more than before 2000. Before Jesus.
Before Jesus.
Yeah.
Approximately 3,000 years?
Yes. Before the Moses before Jesus. The Moses.
Yes, Moses was before Jesus. Yes.
Before Jesus.
Yeah. Because Jesus was not the...
2000
Yeah,
years.
2000.
But more than this.
Yeah.
Before more than maybe 500
Yeah.
years.
And Moses also a prophet.
Yes. Moses a prophet. Abraham is prophet.
Abraham is prophet. Guys, come and see it. वरना बहुत history miss करोगे. This is very beautiful. So, welcome to Petra. Ooh, it's cold, Habibi. Oh, it's cold, baby. Look at you. You're looking like a small baby under the jacket.
Good morning.
If you step outside, you will feel the actual cold.
लास्ट ईयर मनाली गए थे 31 पे, तब ऐसी ठंड थी वहाँ पे.
Yeah.
If you don't like this weather, tomorrow, remember what I say, tomorrow you buy a cover for your head when you go to Wadi Rum.
She got actually.
Okay.
Because
They have no
in the night, Wadi Rum,
that black color.
very cold.
Wadi Rum very cold
Yeah, in the night.
in the night.
Outside, not in the room.
Okay.
Will buy that.
Okay. We'll buy it. You said you'll buy. ये मुझे नहीं पता था कि यहाँ पे -6 -3 डिग्री तक जाता है. Very nice to know. I was not expecting the Jordan to be that cold. I know that it will be cold, but I was not expecting it to go to minus.
I want snow.
In the winter time and snow time, -2, -3.
Yeah, minus.
Now I want snow.
You want to come after 1 month?
You need to come after 1 month again, Chichu. When you drink the 20 dirham water, you'll
You drink gold. This is Wadi Musa city, not Petra city.
Sorry, my bad. It's Wadi Musa city.
Yeah. I thought parking
मुझे
here.
वहाँ
Hello guys, पहुंच गए Petra. It's freaking cold. बहुत सर्दी है. And this is our hotel. So let's go in the hotel and check out how it is. Okay. अच्छा तो लग रहा है.
We have calling.
We will call each
When I
other.
check out the hotel, I call you.
Okay, Habibi.
I'll let you know.